In this question, they have given a disk. The disk is having 16 platers, 2 surfaces on each plater, 1k tracks per surface, 2k sectors per track, and this is 2048 bytes per sector they have given. Disk rotation speed they have given, that is 3600 rpm. Then they have asked that what is effective data transmission rate of a disk. Okay, first I want to calculate the bytes per track. Bytes per track. How many bytes are there on per track? So for this, what I will do is I'll take bytes on one sector, and I'll multiply this value by sectors on one track. Sectors on one track. So I'll have to multiply two things, that is bytes per sector, that is 2048, multiply by sectors on per track, that is 2k, and the answer will be number of bytes. So this will be my 4 into 2 to the power 20 or 4 MB. Total 4 MB you can store on one track. Now I'll have to calculate what is the one rotation time. They have given the speed. Speed means you are taking 60 seconds for 3600 rotations. So if this is the time, 60 seconds taken for 3600 rotations, that means one rotation time will be 60 divided by 3600. That means that will be 1 by 60 seconds. Now you can easily understand that per track you can store 4 MB data, and for one rotation of one track you are taking this much time. That means within this much time you can transfer 4 MB of data. So effective data transmission rate will be equal to 4 MB divided by 1 by 60 seconds. So it will be around 4 multiplied by 60 MB per second, and it will become 4 into 60, that is 240 MB per second or Mbps. So my answer for the question is 240 Mbps speed this particular disk will provide me.